When you eat, your body stores calories as fat. But when you fast, your body burns that stored fat for energy. This is why fasting is such an effective way to lose weight. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of fasting and periods of eating. During the fasting periods, you consume no calories. This can be done either by not eating anything at all, or by eating very few calories. The most common form of intermittent fasting is the 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating for 8 hours. For example, you would fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. and then eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Another popular method is the 5-2 diet. This involves eating normally for 5 days per week, and then eating very few calories on the other 2 days. There are many other variations of intermittent fasting, but these are the two most common. So how does intermittent fasting help you lose weight? When you fast, your body is forced to burn stored fat for energy. This process is known as lipid oxidation. Lipid oxidation is when your body breaks down fat cells for energy. This usually happens when your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. So, when you fast, your body is forced to burn stored fat for energy. This process can help you lose weight and lower your body fat percentage. Intermittent fasting has also been shown to have other health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, improving brain health, and reducing the risk of heart disease. If you're looking to lose weight, intermittent fasting is a great option. It's effective, easy to do, and has a number of other health benefits.